Welcome back. I got a new project. This appears to be a 1969 Chrysler Charger. She's not too bad. Somebody started a restoration project, but they stopped doing it and they gave up, so now it's my turn. It's not too bad at all. Looks pretty good, actually. I believe it's going to be well worth the restoration. Not bad at all. Just got some work to do on the sides. Old paint, lots of old paint. Other than that, I would say it's pretty good. New plexiglass windshield on the one side. The other side is glass. So I cleaned it out, and it looks like it's not even there in a certain look. More paint to be removed from the top. It appears to be the original blue. Have to find a new light. I'll figure something out. Got that Hydro V hull. I think it's going to be all right. It's not going to be a masterpiece, but it'll float, be super stable, and I'll like it. You should have seen it before. Maybe I got some pictures. I'll try to put the pictures up later on. And I think she's going to work out. Got some gauges there, speedo, trim and tilt. Looks like the Morse bilge pump. I think that's an original steering wheel. But otherwise, it's going to be good. There's a little Eska out there, back, a Viking. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.